Now our table is set, our workspace is set for the proper printing, which is also called the rover printing technique. Here are the colors I'm using. I'm using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 colors. We have the black. I like using art creation. Acrylic is a permanent and high quality print. I have ivory bark 701. I have brilliant blue 564. I have yellow ochre 227. I have primary yellow 275. I have azo orange 276. I have carmine 318, and I have titanium white 105. These are the paint brushes I'm also using. I'm using a liner, a filbert, a flat, and also another filbert. So the liner is for lining and filbert for filling in the colors. I'm placing them on the styrofoam dish which has been lined with my paper towel. The next thing on the agenda is to mix the colors to the I'll be mixing the pigments so that I'll get the kind of colors I want for the t-shirt. Not too dark, not too bright, but just a beautiful printing color. Now I'm mixing the black. I'll mix it with my palette knife. I like to use stainless steel palette knife. I use art creation essentials. I like the flip cover. It keeps the paint moist, doesn't dry up. Acrylic is a kind of paint. That's my spray water. So I'll spritz each pigment with a little bit of water when I mix them, so it will be the right consistency for me to apply on the t-shirt. So I mix black. Usually I like to mix my black with a little bit of purple and brown and blue so that it will have a very interesting look. I'm rearranging everything so you can see what I'm doing better. That's the blue, the brilliant blue 564, the art creation essentials. I'll be mixing it with a little bit of white. It's always good to mix colors, not just use straight from the tube. Mix it with a little bit of white or another color close to it to make it opaque.